Well, good evening. Wonky Astronomer here. Well, tonight I'm observing an occultation. It's an occultation of a star by an asteroid, and the star is pretty dim. I've found it in my telescope, I think, but it's just on the limit of visibility, and I'm not absolutely certain that I found the correct star. But you know, I've done the best I can. Now it's going to happen in about 10 minutes. And I'm going to try to time it, and if I can time it accurately, I'll submit my observation for science. There'll be a few other people observing it tonight, as long as they've got clear sky. I've got a very clear sky here, so I'm laughing. And if we can combine several observations, we may be able to learn something about the asteroid. You know, do some real science. I'll now call the speaking clock and just do a comparison. I expect it to be out a little bit.
At the third stroke, it will be 12, 28 and 30 seconds.
Gone. Back. Wow. That's amazing. And I keep looking because there could be another event. Like if the asteroid has a moon. Well, that's the third asteroid occultation I've ever observed, and it's the third time I've had a positive. That means I actually saw the star disappear. Some people have done like 100 attempts and not seen the star disappear because, you know, it's very uncertain, because you don't know exactly where the shadow is going to pass. You have to be in just the right spot to see it. So I've now got 3 out of 3, which is, it's unheard of to have a 100% success rate. Well, I almost wasn't going to observe this occultation because, first of all, the sky's been cloudy the whole day, and I thought it wouldn't be possible. And then, even though it cleared in the evening, I was a bit reluctant because it was so cold. It's well, I don't know what the temperature is, but it's cold. But one good thing is there's no wind. It's very still. Here's my telescope set up right in front of the garage here. Got my timing devices here. Audio recorder. That's what I use to record the audio of the time signal and my calls. Like when I say gone and back. I will analyze that recording later to get the fairly precise timings. I say fairly precise because, of course, with visual observing, it's never very accurate because you've got reaction time to take into account. Some of the other guys will be recording this on video with timestamps inserted into the video using GPS clocks. So they don't have that problem. But anyway, visual observing is an acceptable method. And I'll be submitting this observation to science. Ooh, I'm going out of focus there. So there you have it. Another successful asteroid occultation.